In this video, let's find out how we can use drop-down lists, how we can define drop-down lists for data entry. We will show two alternatives for this. We want only certain department names for the entry. You select the entry cells for the data under the department, the cells under the department, and on the data tab, click data validation, and in the allow, click lists, select lists, and you can enter the type. You can type the data that you want to limit using semicolons between each data. Meat and bakery, and then click OK. And if you click the cells next to under the department, you can find that there are only 3 options that you can choose between them. You can either choose produce, meat, or bakery. And if you try to enter another thing, for example, sales or something, you will get an error. And the second alternative is using a table for defining the drop-down lists. And this is even better because if you in the future, if you would like to increase the alternatives for the departments, you can only do this by entering a new row under the table, and it will automatically pick you for the drop-down list. Let's examine. First, we will make a table. Click on the data here and click Ctrl+T as a shortcut for the table, and click OK, and you have the table here for the data you would like to use for the drop-down list. And after that, select all the cells under the department column and use the same method, data and data validation list. Click the arrow and select all the cells within the table, and click the arrow again, and you will see the formula as a source, and click OK. And if you look, you have only 3 options as in the first alternative. But if you add another department here, for example, sales, your options becomes 4, and it's automatically do that. Thanks for the Excel for this. And this is all for the drop downs. Thank you for listening.